Okay, the pups are in the house after sledding. We have Nikita and Bear and Echo, and they're always wrestling and playing when we get in. Bear, Bear, don't do that. Bear, be a good boy. Yeah, I'm talking to you, be a good boy. Bear, Bear, stop that. And then we always have Stormy and Chaos, who, hi mama. They like to just lay on the bed. Stormy usually comes in, gets a quick drink, and as soon as her harness comes off, she plops down on that orthopedic bed and chews a bone and naps. And of course, Chaos is her, you know, her little beau, so he stays there with her. Hi, KK. What are you guys doing? Bear, get down. Really? Come on. You don't do this unless you're on camera. Really? Echo, say hi. Say hi, man. Let me get up. Hi, guys. As soon as I get up, everybody thinks there's something special going on. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi, Beer. Hi, Nikita. 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 Okay, just ignore me. Whatever. Nikita, leave Chaos alone. Nikita. There's other bones. Don't try to steal Chaos's, okay? Okay. Echo. Let me turn on the light here. Where's my Echo? Hi, Echo. With the one brown eye and the one blue eye. Hi, handsome. Where's my Bear Bear? Bear Bear. Hi, McBerry. Look at the tail. So curly. Such a curly tail. You're a handsome man. Chaos and Mama. My two little lover birds. They're cute. They're always together. Hi, Beer. Nikita, what are you fishing out? Piece of food. And this is how we get them excited. What's Mama got? What's Mama got? What's Mama got? Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay. Everybody sit. Sit. Bear, sit. Bear. Sit. Good boy. Storm, sit. Stay. Nikita, sit. Stay. Stormy Mama first. Chaos Daddy. No, Echo. Chaos Daddy. Bear. And Echo. There you go. Don't take my hand. Nikita. There you go. Mama's looking for more treats. Stormy Mama. Mama. Sit. Storm, sit. Oh, that's my phone. Of course, it's a dog barking. High five. Good girl. Bear. High five. Good boy. Echo. High five. High five. Good boy. Nikita, high five. High five. Good girl. Chaos, high five. Good boy. Good boy. Bear, stop it. Good pups. Okay, everybody sit. I think I told you guys to sit. Sit. Storm. Really? Really? Oh, you're such a complainer. Storm, sit. Good girl. Chaos, sit. Good boy. No, Echo. Chaos, here. Bear, sit. Good boy. Echo, sit. Good boy. Good girl, Nikita. Stormy, say please. Storm, say please. Storm, say please. No, say please. No, just go through the motion. Chaos, say please. Say Chaos, say please. Bear, stop. Chaos, speak. Chaos, speak. Chaos, speak. Can you howl? Howl. No, howl. Howl. Chaos, howl. Howl. Come on. Close. Good boy. There's close. Mama, can you say please? Mama, say please. Hi, Bear. What do you want, little love? What do you want, huh? What do you want? Mama, can you say please? Storm, speak. Good girl. Bear. Bear. Knock it off. You're such a bully. Bear. Echo, stop. Alright. 3, 4, 5 bones. You got one for Mama, one for KK, one for Bear Bear, one for Echo, and one for Kita. Those are my babies.